When you are ready to decide which template to use, they're all in Google Slides, but when you click on the links here, they will open up as templates, so you can actually take a peek through the slide deck to see all of the different parts of the template. The Instagram one has multiple pages, but they're all the same. The Spotify playlist is just one. When you choose the one that you would like to use for your project, you can click Use Template, and it is going to make a copy of this and put it in your drive. Now that this template is in my drive, I'm able to edit it. It is now mine. I can rename this. If I would like to add text to this, all I need to do is find the text box tool in the toolbar up here. And then I can click inside and a text box is inserted. I can use the blue squares to shrink the text box size as needed. When I go to type, I can highlight the text and format it by changing the font to something different. I can change the font color. I can change the highlight. I can make the text larger. I can use the three dots and center and align my text the way I'd like it to be inside of this text box. I can also insert images by finding the image icon in my toolbar. I can choose to upload something that I've already downloaded to my computer. I can search the web. I can also add photos that I have in my drive, or I can take a picture using my camera on my device. I'm going to choose Search the Web. Now I'm going to use Google Image Search to find pictures of the Earth. If I want to find things that have no background, I can search PNG transparent afterwards. Almost always that will be a little bit easier. I can double click to add it to my template. Again, you can use the blue squares to resize, place it wherever you'd like it to be. You can continue that process for as many pictures as you'd like to add. You can also click on the shapes icon to add different shapes to your template. You just click and drag. Now I can use the paint bucket to fill it in, the outline to make it a different color outline. You can even change the thickness of the outline if you'd like to. You could use the blue dot that's attached to your shape, text box, or image, and you can actually spin that image to make it face a different direction. When something is selected, you can also use the arrows on your keyboard to move things around. If I would like to move something in front of another image or shape or text box, there are a couple ways that you can do that. You can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-Up to move things forward, or Control-Shift-Down to move them backwards. You could also right-click and select Order, and then either send it to the back or send it forward. When you have everything in your template that you would like, this is where you can download the slide as a picture to share it. You can send it to your teacher in Google Classroom, whatever you might need to do. Have so much fun using these Google Slide templates to celebrate Earth Day.